Yes, Guti.
Kunjani?
Igama ngalo Guti.
Nqobile.
Nqobile wakhe.
MTN abakhona.
Okay. Umda mkhulu mosumuda. Ngilapha ngabafezi. Wehle straight ne. Udlula isikole Sithangameni. Which is Landau, Sithangameni.
Ikhona la branch xa isikole Sithangameni ikhona lehlakanje. So, yehleza.
Uye
esikoleni sengazi. Yo.
Somewhere there.
Sikwani uyadlula le ushona ngapha.
Okay. So, phawe ngezantsi basesithangameni. Uzalelwa phi? Ukhulela phi? Kahle kahle wena.
Mina ndizalwa apha Qumbu ndikhulele apha eMtini.
Okay. Uzalwa ngabazali who loves church, obvious. Then wena wabrancha your own route. Sizofika apho don't worry. Now uNqobile ungakanani uNqobile?
16 years old.
16 years old, probably still in school right? Okay, fine. Uzalwa ngesikolo ezinkulu.
Hayi ngiyafunda kafuna ndifundile. Yaqala i-exam like ngisamile ngicula ngisabhala.
I heard about ungumapiano maker. So you follow Kabza Small as well, right? Now uqale nini into leqhubele ukuba uchoose amapiano kwezi genres zomculo zingaka kuzo zonke?
Ucula ngiqale 2021. Like ngichoose amapiano since ngibona like if najonga apha EC like abantu abaninzi baphusha hip hop. So like ngoma mina mandiphume yam mhlawumbi ndinga-grow apha early ngilaka yam but andikaboni itshintsho man but ndiyathemba.
Probably negqom, Eastern Cape igqom is living here. Yeah, Afro House, I think Afro House it also lives in Cape Town, no, in PE, I think so. PE, Lapamos, East London. I know Afro House East London, yeah, like a gold. And always the old white gems, that's basically Eastern Cape. So when you brought the life of Sakhautini to the Eastern Cape, okay, so inspire you, but at Eastern Cape we don't have Amapiano. So now you wanted to be the first person to display Amapiano as a genre of music in Kwaya Eastern Cape. So how many songs do you have currently?
I have enazo ngoku like izingoma ze-rate zi-2 as a piano. So as a hip hop like no it's part of 5, 7, I'm not sure.
Urekhoda nabani?
Yeah, ingoma endisanayo like nathanda urekhoda ndodwa.
Okay.
Ingxaki nabantu like engabafisharish most artists sifuna ubhatala. So like ndithanda uphusha ndodwa.
Who's your producer?
DJ Surprise.
DJ Surprise, the famous DJ from Easy Vibes, right?
Yeah.
Surprise is a very good DJ. He's been there in the game. I know. I think quality of Mtuloko is there, is the best. I think I've listened to 1 or 2 songs of yours. I think it's DV or somehow. So you play artistic inspired from Johannesburg that because I believe we vocal artists as well. As much as I'm a DJ, but you're a vocalist. You play vocalist, inspired by that.
Like umntu ebendimthanda like since ngiqala ucula ibingu-emo. Yeah, so like bendibona into zakhe like ingasenam ndingazenza the way like adlala ngakhona adlala piano so nam mane ndili-freestyle ii-beats zakhe ndimane xa irekhodile i-beat mna ndiyayithatha ndenza i-freestyle yakhe so ndiqoma like mandizama ukwenza yam.
Wenza the remix. So apparently le nto beyenza yile nto uyirhalela. So you ended up getting your own thing. Alright, so uzalelwe eSithangameni, sorry, uzalelwe eMdeni, masithi kusemdeni phakathi nayo. Uhlala igama laseSithangameni. But baseSithangameni andazi igama lifuna ntoni, andinayo into ephokula cha. Now, ngumuntu waqumbu, masiqala apho kuqala, Qumbu indawo yamasela. Ilabelwa kanjalo phofu. I'm not saying andiyitsho uba indawo yamasela iqumbu, I'm just saying abantu bathi iqumbu indawo yamasela because I also live here. So uzalelwa kuQumbu, uzalelwe eQumbu eMdeni eSulenkama, that story. Now, being known as indawo yamasela and everything, i-community yakho kusapota kanjani kule dream unayo yokwenza lo mculo?
Abaninzi bawo like nje ndibaceba abandifollowa. Yeah. Balulekile into follow because bayakwazi nabo upromota xa besiva bekhale upromota so.
Yes. Yeah. How many followers do you have on Facebook? Do you have Facebook?
Yeah.
How many followers do you have?
I think that is 2.4k, yeah, 2.4k.
Okay. 2,400 followers. Still more to go, right? Alright. And then Twitter, do you have Twitter? Not really, no. Instagram?
No.
And then what is this kind of Threads? Do you have Threads?
No.
Right? You're still going to work on those things. Because I think hopefully followers need to be on the social platforms. You understand? I was shy about your number on WhatsApp to people. Why are you shy?
Like,
Awufuna usheshe inamba yakho.
yiyo ingxaki abantu abaninzi like baninzi abantu like abanoyithanda yonke into ayenza abanye abantu so like bakhona abantu bangathathi inamba yam for like undiceba like bandityhafise.
Yes, very true, yeah, that's true. And then esikolweni i-support isingakanani to your peer classmates and then schoolmates?
hayi nako bandisupport because ukuthi isinanti-tie ceremony like bandicela bamperforme
Okay.
into ezinjalo.
So you also perform esikolweni. Zithini tishara? Ngazibona especially tishara creative arts zithini?
Yho esikolweni ititshala like idla ngobakho because nam like ndingulapho neentloni so bakhona elaa xesha uba baphume bayotya mhlawumbi baye kwenye indawo so nakulapha ndithatha khona imayikhi perform.
So I think intloni plus nomculo zidibana ezi zinto. That's the thing because I believe to a public figure you need to be umuntu wabantu, you need to be be able to be ready utsala esitratweni andithi because we-celebrity lalapha masithi so na uba shy kwakho it's when you're shifting the followers away from you, understand? So you have to learn about the social, understand? Learn to mingle with people. I know how much I attend spaces as well. I think we introvert. But in this industry, you can't. So what are you planning in the next 5 years?
Like I plan one decent like sense of choice, like something.
Okay.
Senikwazi uworka like namanye amapiano abanye abasenza amapiano like Scott Mapuma, Nimek Tracy, Cowboy.
So you don't want to take those people from Johannesburg to here in the Eastern Cape bazosebenza nawo apha kuthi udumise thina apha ufuna uhamba uyodumisa igoli ehleli edumile.
Hayi kwabona bangeza ngayo.
That's what I'm saying. Kaloku no babili Scott Mapuma izanga yebo azo record nawo kwaqala okanye you can just go record and come back yebo uzenzele something apha esolweni ngam for generation yenu ile change. I took something from Johannesburg to here, you understand? So now, who are you planning to work with going forward? Now that we're aware, and then now, who are you planning to work with going forward?
Yeah, local. Like bakhona through DG.
Okay.
Or VGR,
Okay.
AP Sounds, like baninto Pamela.
Okay.
So like ngabantu ngisakhale like festival no album now.
Yes. And I think a collaboration song can be nice, yes. Nidibane no Pamela, Love Diesel. That Love Diesel is Love Diesel. That girl, and then nidibane nibe baninzi, then the artists zethu locally. Nibe a collaboration. Even if you end up a studio collaboration, you know, then this is Speaker Now. It's a show that is running on YouTube as well as on Facebook. It's there. Then you run a box Speaker Now, and then you one song that you guys, whenever you perform, whenever you perform it locally, you on stage, you share the stage. That's when that's when I'm able opportunity. You know what? I think I can work with Baba because I've heard him vocals, Zaki. I've heard him singing on the stage. Whatever is I've heard him singing there. This is what I like about him. You understand? To share the stage with artists, you know, I think there's real idols. Have you seen Club Week, Theatre Week, group week, where there's a group of people talking about, don't you like it? Alright? And then so une album?
I don't have.
You also have e-singles there. Une singles. EP yako, when is it coming? When can we expect EP yako?
Yeah.
Because we need to play you all around Congo. So I expect the estimation. Be positive, start about I think I'll be having EP, raining or not.
I work on like in the next week. Since very chance I work on it because I'm sure like one day 3 songs in the answer. Because like umculo ndiyamthanda ndiyawuphila so like anohlula kabi yes.
So in one day you can record 3 songs. Alright. Uyacula amapiano, kasibisi ngomi one. If I go to this question. No. It's too late.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ukhona le.
Let's go back.
Ikhona le like yepiano ngoba record but say hook yona ngayigqiba. Siyabadubula. Dubula. Yes, siyabadubula. Dubula. Yes, siyabadubula. Dubula. Yeah, like siyabadubula kuwe.
Right, so it continues that tubula, it's just a vocal thing.
Yeah, it's a hook.
It's a hook, okay. There's something that is coming.
Yeah, I feel.
Okay, there's a verse that's going to be attached to that music. And then ucula piano, mfana semncinci, ozengubuso elizweni, you're ambitious, you are going to be successful, uzafunda. How about the life nje? Not life, are you in a relationship?
Hayi.
What?
Yho, like mna yathi yam i-relationship semculweni kwangoko.
This guy is single, Nance, and the artist, Yakuqumbu, semncinci. I think no sugar mama, they can come just to.
So, yeah.
Yeah, really I did. But guys, remember it's Kumbo Podcast. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, guys. We're there on I think on Instagram we're also there. And guys, please on YouTube like and subscribe, guys. Your support means much to us. Please, guys, just follow us and then make us famous as Ukumbu Wetu, which is the Kumbo Podcast Ukumbu, so that nathi is uplift igama lethu lendawo yethu. Ukumbu, it's a Kumbu village. We remember we say Ukumbu town yasezilalini, understand? So our dream as Kumbu Podcast is to uplift the town yasezilalini to be one of the big towns that are on the map. Cheers, guys. Thank you.